Hello, English learners! Welcome to our vegetable vocabulary extravaganza. Today, we're going to explore a variety of delicious and nutritious veggies. Get ready to learn their names and pronunciations. Tomato. Tomato. Botanically, tomatoes are fruits, but they are commonly used as vegetables in cooking. Carrot. Carrot. Carrots were originally purple. Orange carrots were cultivated in the Netherlands in the 17th century. Parsnip. Parsnip. Cucumber. Cucumber. Cucumbers are composed of about 96% water, making them a hydrating snack. Potato. Potato. Potatoes originated in South America and are the world's fourth largest food crop. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Eggplant. Eggplant. Aubergine. Aubergine. Bell pepper. Bell pepper. 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 Chili pepper. Chili pepper. Corn. Corn. Garlic. Garlic. Garlic is believed to have medicinal properties and has been used for centuries in cooking and healing. Onion. Onion. Onions can make you cry because they release a gas that irritates the eyes. Radish. Radish. Turnip. Turnip. Beet. Beet. Beetroot. Beetroot. Ginger. Ginger. Taro. Taro. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Pumpkins are a type of squash and are used in cooking, baking, and as Halloween decorations. Squash. Squash. Mushroom. Mushroom. Mushrooms are fungi and come in various types, including button, portobello, and shiitake. Okra. Okra. Zucchini. Zucchini. Courgette. Courgette. Pea. Pea. Peas are a good source of protein and are often used in soups, salads, and as a side dish. Bean. Bean. Artichoke. Artichoke. Broccoli. Broccoli. Broccoli is part of the cabbage family and is packed with vitamins and fiber. Asparagus. Asparagus is a spring vegetable and is known for its distinctive shape and flavor. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Cauliflower can be eaten raw or cooked and is a versatile vegetable in various cuisines. Cabbage. Cabbage. Cabbage comes in different colors, like green, purple, and white, and is used in salads and coleslaw. Fennel. Fennel. Celery. Celery. Celery is low in calories and is often used as a crunchy snack or in soups and stews. Leek. Leek. Spinach. Spinach. Popeye the Sailor Man became strong by eating spinach, popularizing its image as a health food. Parsley. Parsley. Dill. Dill. Coriander. Coriander. Mint. Mint. Chard. Chard. Lettuce. Lettuce. Lettuce comes in several varieties, including romaine, iceberg, and leaf lettuce. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are mini cabbages and are often roasted or sautéed as a side dish.